They did not like that. The Spanish did not like that we Filipinas had that power. So like they wanted us Filipina because before that we were this outspoken, ang mga Pilipina before they arrived, the Filipina, ang mga kababaihan was very outspoken. They could express themselves. Kung unsay dili sila malipayon, unsay kapalagot nila, unsay dili nila ganahan, we were very free to express ourselves. And then we were very powerful. We were very important in our communities. They did not like that. The Spanish did not like that we Filipinas had that power. So then they imposed this Maria Clara idea. They imposed this idea kay para ang mga babay will not trigger the man, will not challenge the man, will not ask question, So they want this very cute, very calm, very respectful